If your sump pump's discharge line is dumping water into an underground PVC pipe, but the water isn't draining right, you're probably dealing with a clog or poor drainage situation that needs fixing as soon as possible. So first off, check around your yard for any low spots or soggy patches where water might be pooling. The end of that underground pipe could be covered up by dirt, leaves, or grass, blocking water flow. If you can't spot where the pipe leads or if it's supposed to empty into a storm drain or a dry well, you'll want to figure that out because it affects how the system works. Sometimes, roots or debris clog the underground pipe, and that's when you need to call in a pro to snake the line and clear out whatever is stuck inside. Also, make sure the pipe is sloping downhill enough so gravity can help push water out. If the pipe is flat or slopes back toward your house, water will just sit there and cause backups. Another thing to watch for is frozen pipes in cold weather, which can stop drainage cold until they thaw out. Lastly, keep an eye on your sump pump itself to make sure it's pumping strong enough and not struggling against a blockage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sump pump drainage is not knowing exactly where the discharge pipe ends up, which leads to surprise flooding or water sitting in their yard. Fix that by tracing the line or getting a professional to locate it properly. Another common issue is ignoring clogs in the underground discharge pipe. Roots and debris will totally wreck your drainage if you don't clean it out regularly. The fix is scheduling regular maintenance or getting a plumber to snake it when you notice slow drainage. A third problem is poor pipe slope. If the pipe doesn't have enough downward angle, water won't flow away from your home properly. You can fix this by adjusting or replacing sections of pipe to ensure proper drainage angle. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors that actually know what they're doing. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people in their area who need help with projects just like fixing sump pump drainage problems.